Hey guys, it is December 21st and today I have this little thing, not sure what to call it, but it is a pen tumbler. Get some focus, and if I can get a pic here, I don't know if we can see it if I took some light. And if I don't move the camera. Come on. I don't think you can see it, but there is pins on the top there. And there is also at the bottom. So I have to pick both the pins up here and the pins down here. And I found a way to do so. So let's try it. And the device, of course, that's the only place I can have it. I can't remember if this is going clockwise or counterclockwise, but we find out. Yes. I just had to think. And then I guess if we move the light. And the way I have found is I made a long tension wrench. So that is going to push all the pins down in the bottom. Then I just have to pick all the pins on top. Let's try counterclockwise. Something tells me that is the right thing to do. But let's try it with the rig, I think. That should tell us pretty quickly if I'm right or wrong. And nothing there. Let's try the other way. There we go. It is counterclockwise. And I'm running out of power. But now we know it's counterclockwise. Let me just get the power cord in. I forgot to, come on, there we go. I forgot to charge it through the night. There we go. And we are also open there. So it's a quite easy one to pick open, but it's fun and cool that there is pins on top and bottom. And it actually took me some time to figure that out. I have had this for over a year now, and I think I used a week trying to pick those pins before I actually saw the pins in the bottom. But then I just took some wire, oh sorry, not wire, windshield wiper, and made a long tensioner. I maybe made it a little too long, but that doesn't matter, it works. So it was actually a waste of time to put that power cord in because I have to take it out again. So I can put this on the tree, but first I need to put some wire on to hang it up on. There. So that was a quite quick video today, but not much quicker than the other videos. So I guess it works. That could hold this lock. There we go. Let's get it on the tree. And we put it right there. Right there, guys. 3 more and it's Christmas Day. So, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.